Hi everybody, my name's Nicole. I'm gonna be teaching you all about your new clear aligners. So when you come in for your appointment, we're going to add some attachments to your teeth and give you a set of trays. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of what that's gonna look like. So this is what aligners look like. You're gonna see the little bubbles on the trays and those fit over your attachments. So we're gonna add those at your appointment. And we're gonna go over with you how to take care of everything. So I'm gonna do that right now. So when you change your aligners, you're going to be changing them either weekly or bi-weekly. So your technician that day will explain that to you of which one it will be. And what we always recommend to make sure that you're changing them and keeping consistent is setting reminders on your phone. So I would set a reminder for 1 week from today or 2 weeks from today and let you know that you need to change them. So aligners are going to be set up from tray 1 to, let's say, tray 20. Okay, each little aligner comes in a bag, so it makes it super easy to follow. You just have to follow the number sequence. So let's say we're ready to change tray 1. We've worn it full time for a week and we're going to switch to number 2. So what I always recommend is you take tray 1, put it back in your little baggie that has 1 on it, and keep it for an extra week. So when we start tray 2, in case anything would ever happen to your tray, if you would lose it or break it, you're going to back up to tray 1 temporarily until you call us, text us, let us know that you lost it, and we'll order you a new number 2. That way you can keep moving in your progress and everything goes smoothly. So let us know if that ever happens. The next thing we're gonna go over is how often you have to wear your trays. So the best thing to do is wear them 22 to 23 hours out of your day. So that is basically full time. The only time we ask that you take your aligner out is either if you're eating or brushing your teeth. They definitely have to be out to brush. Eating is a preferred choice, so you can choose to eat with your aligners in or you can take them out. Completely preference and up to you. If you do eat with your aligners in, we do want you to make sure that you're cleaning them pretty often because you are going to get food stuck in between the tray when you eat. So make sure that if you're out to eat or if you're somewhere not at home, you want to take your aligner out and at least rinse it with water and then place it back in. Cleaning trays, you do want to make sure that you're brushing them very well, at least 3 times a day. To clean your aligners, you're going to take this out, grab one of your toothbrushes, cold water and toothpaste is all you need. You're going to take your aligner, get that toothbrush right on the inside of your aligner, make sure you're brushing that really well, and you're going to brush the outside as well. So you want to make sure you get that super clean at least 3 times a day. This aligner is very clear, so it tends not to stain. So you can drink with these in. You don't want to have super hot liquids, but you can drink coffee, tea, and they should not stain. So that is one exciting thing about your aligners. One other thing you're going to have in your little starter kit is Chewies. So they come just like this. They come in all different colors, so you might get a different color when you come in. These are really important as to getting your trays to fit properly. So when you pop these in, you're going to make sure that your trays are in all the way. And you want to make sure that they're fitting nice and flush against the edges of your teeth, just like this picture. When you first put an aligner in, it's going to fit a little bit like this, where it kind of hangs down a little bit. So what we want you to use is the Chewy. You're going to take one of these out with your aligners in, take it and move it around and bite and hold and bite and hold. And you're just going to move it around slowly for about 5 to 10 minutes every single day. Even if your tray fits perfectly like this, I still want you to use it every day to improve the fit of your tray over time. If you start to see after a couple days of wearing your aligner that it's still fitting like this, I want you to keep your tray in for a few extra days and use that Chewy to really get it to fit like this. If you're doing that and you're still not seeing that tray go up, please call or text the office and let us know. Because then the tray's not tracking very well. So we'll address that at that appointment. Next thing we're gonna go over is the nail file that you're gonna get with your starter kit. So not for your nails, actually for your trays. So every once in a while you will find that the edge of your tray does get a little sharp. If you have that, super easy, take your nail file and you're just gonna do a little file on the edge of the tray and that should take care of it. Nice and simple. You're also going to receive that day a little hand sanitizer. You are going to have your hands, unfortunately, in your mouth a little bit more because of taking your aligners in and out, especially to eat. So you want to make sure that you are using that and just keeping your hands clean and your trays clean. You are going to get a little paper that basically goes over everything we talked about today, front and back. It reviews the chewies, how often you have to wear your aligners, when to change them, all of that good stuff. One extra thing that some patients may or may not have are elastics with their aligners. Your technician will go over all the instructions for your rubber bands that day if you are starting them. If you have any questions or any concerns throughout your treatment, please feel free to call or text the office. We are here to help you if you need it, and we look forward to seeing you at your next appointment.